Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and staying safe at home. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I want to show you guys how I do my nails at home and save some money in the process. And also, with everyone in isolation and nail shops being closed, I thought it would be an interesting self-care video to film. Before I start, I just want to say I'm not a professional. I taught myself how to do this by watching my nail technician, so I'm definitely improving each time I do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So I always start off by cutting and filing my nails to the shape I want. I usually go for a square shape because it suits my fingers or my hand. As you can see, I was struggling with the nail file. It was way too long, but I guess I made it work. After, I take my cuticle pusher and gently push back my cuticles. If your cuticles are a bit tough, I would recommend using the Sally Hansen cuticle remover or putting your hand in warm water for about 2 minutes to soften them. I'm using a brush to clean off my nails, ready for the next step. This part took the longest time for me, but it requires the most patience because you don't want to hurt yourself. So you carefully use the cuticle cutter to remove the dead skin on top of your nails. After this part, I'm going to repeat the same steps on my other hand. I'm going to wash my hands and make sure they're clean and ready to be painted. Because I'm extra, I'm going to take the acetone and using the kitchen towel, because it's lint free, I'll wipe my nails to take off any excess oils. I use the gel-in base coat that I got from Amazon, and this is the lamp I use. It has 3 settings: 60 seconds, 30 seconds and 10 seconds. When applying the base coat, make sure you apply it as thinly as possible and cure it for 60 seconds, but it depends on the lamp you have. Mine is 54 watts or so it depends on the lamp you have. I'm going to be using the OPI color in Getting Natty on my honeymoon, and don't forget to give it a shake. Again, when applying the nail color, apply a thin layer and avoid getting too close to your nail bed because you don't want it to look too messy and mess up your work. As you can see, I am taking my time because I want it to look as neatly as possible. So yeah, definitely take your time when you're doing this. I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds again. Before I apply the second layer, I gently push my cuticles back again to avoid the colors getting on my cuticles. I'm only going to apply 2 coats, but depending on the color you're using, because some nail paints are translucent, you might have to add another coat to get the shade you want. If you get the color on your skin, dip a small brush in the acetone to clean it, because once you cure it, it's going to be tough to remove. I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds again. Then I'm going to take my gel-in top coat and lightly apply over my nails. I definitely recommend that everyone should do their nails because it's so therapeutic and it's just good to take care of yourself. I'm gonna cure it again for 60 seconds. To finish it off, I'm gonna take the acetone and the kitchen towel and wipe my nails to take off the tacky layer of the top coat. But this step isn't necessary if your top coat isn't tacky. Lastly, I'm gonna take my Barium cuticle oil and apply it around my cuticle because my nails have been through a lot. They need some TLC. I'm gonna let it sit and absorb into my nails for a few seconds before massaging it into my nails. Alright, so here's the finished look. I really like the colour, it's super fun and cute for summer. Usually when I do my nails at home, it lasts for about 3 weeks, which is good. I hope you found this tutorial easy and useful. Please comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys later.